video of how to lock your transmission off your Revo 3.3 into second gear. You would only use this if you're converting your Revo 3.3 to electric. I haven't got my parts ordered in the mail yet, but I ordered a mount for an electric motor, and the rest I'm just going to do on my own. I ordered a forward only transmission conversion also. That's just to eliminate reverse and all the other crap you have to have in your transmission. But here I'm going to show you how to lock your transmission into second gear. I haven't seen any other videos, so this is probably the only one. And this is how I did it, and this is where I learned it from off the internet. So I'm going to set the camera down on my phone. This is an iPhone 4S, by the way. What you're going to do is you're going to take those bolts out, split the transmission in half. I already took everything out. As you can see, this is the first gear. This would be normally, it would look normally like this. You want to take this out. This is normally sitting on the bottom of the transmission, like that. It's normally sitting in there. Take the whole thing out. What you want to do is you're going to pop this gear off, the first gear off, just like that. And what I did, and it was what I heard works best. Hold on, let me focus. There we go. Is putting screws. See, what I did is put screws in between the gear, and they kind of screw into the plastic holes. Make sure you don't go past it though. And then what it does is it locks these two gears together. You can't turn it, and that will lock it in second gear. You don't put this first gear back on, you leave this off. Basically this will just pop right back on like that, and then forward only conversion, I would put that also in there so you don't have to worry about all the reverse if you're converting it. Also, one more thing, before you put those screws in, there's a little hole. See that little hole right there? And there's a screw. Take that screw out, and a ball and a spring will come out. You want to keep those out. Leave the screw out too, and then you could put your screws in like that, and it'll lock, and you can lock it. This will make it work for reverse, forward, brakes. You don't have to deal with the mechanical brakes on the Revo. This is how far I've gotten so far. I started it last night. What I've done is, I'm going to set this stuff down. What I've done is, let's see here, took in all the gas, the gas tank, the receiver box, and the motor out, along with the pipe and the wires and all that stuff. And what I did is, which is a good way I think to do it, and it's cheaper, if you put your receiver